Hi, I'm Declan from Flux Malaysia. Today we're going to talk about laser foil. Hari ini kita akan bincang laser foil. This is one of my customers who wanted to test out whether they can use on the flux machine. And this is a Beamo, flux Beamo machine attached with the rotary. So satu hari klien saya nak I tunjuk lah guna ni laser foil kat flux machine. So this is the Beamo. Bawah ni ialah rotary. So normally this laser foil used on the vinyl machines called circuits machine. Is a vinyl machine. So kebanyakan guna ini kat vinyl machine. And today I'm going to teach you how you're going to find the best setting no matter what material on using this studio. So hari ini saya akan ajar macam mana nak cari setting yang lebih sesuai untuk material anda. As you can see, some of my sample that have been posted in my Facebook page normally using laser foil. I think it's kind of the new thing. It brings out the product more unique and nice. So anda akan nampak I post bahan-bahan produk menggunakan laser foil biru ke atau emas. Dia akan membawa produk lebih bermutu. So marilah kita tengok guna apa material untuk test. So let's find out what are the things that need to use to find out the best setting. Afterwards, I will show you some of the material also using laser foil. Like my name tag, ini name tag saya. This one is leather, so it's the same thing. Leather, I'm using a gold laser foil. At the bottom there, bottom here you can see the black one. This is carbon sticker. So double layer, stick it together to brings out the parts that you don't want, just peel off. So this one also will show you. So inilah leather dengan laser foil. Okay, the best material to test is using glass. Kenalah guna glass untuk test material sticker or metal plate. Metal plate or glass. Let's start. Okay, now we're using the blue laser foil. Kita guna biru punya laser foil. So this is glass. Please be careful. Glass or metal plate. Why these two material? Because when you're using the wood, it absorbs the energy. So you won't test out the real setting for the laser foil. Kenapa guna glass? Kalau you guna kayu kan, dia akan absorb. Dia akan absorb dia punya haba. So anda tidak tahu mana satu setting yang sesuai untuk material. Because we want to prevent it burns off the laser foil. So using glass or metal is the best to test. So we just cut it out. Okay, bottom I use the board. So bawah taruh satu papan. Only for protect lah. Okay, cut it out. Taruh tepi, put it aside. Then peel and stick. Kasih kupas dan melekat atas gelas. Okay, see how thin it is? Sangat nipis saja. So, oops. Okay, lekat atas gelas. Stick well. So make sure it stick nicely. Kenalah pasti dia melekat cantik. Kalau ada bubbles, just poke and bring it out. Kalau ada bubble, kasihlah. Cucuk, keluarkan. Okay. Put it on the flux machine. Okay, open and put it. So drag and do the focus distance. Kita nak kena buat focus distance. Loosen the ring. Bring it out the measurements. Okay, let it drop. Do that. Screw tight. Kena kasih ketat itu ring. Tarik balik. So then back to the Beam Studio. This is the Beam Studio. We type in the text with capital letter A. Kita guna huruf besar A. Lepas tu, after that, from the side here, have to choose convert to path. Why choosing alphabet A? Because we want to see the cutting edge. Kita pilih perkataan A untuk tengok, nanti kita nak tengok dia punya potong, dia punya edge lah, dia punya tepi, punya sharp edge. Okay, lepas tu, after that, click the camera, click and drag. So here again. Okay, done. So we're gonna duplicate, copy another 4 A. Copy lagi 4 A. Okay. There's a 4 letter A. Okay, from this layer here, we need to add another 3 layer. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1 layer. Inilah kita nak tambah lagi layer. This one is to reset different kinds of the power to test out the result. Inilah untuk bagi parameter yang lain untuk dapat setting yang sesuai. So okay, this one we choose as the layer. We do it like that: 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we choose the first one, layer 1 to layer 4. Okay, the second one, layer 3. Third one, layer 2. Done. The last one will be layer 1. So in order to confirm, kalau anda nak pastikan layer anda kat tempat yang betul, here, there's the eyes here. So you can click the eye to ensure, to make sure your layer, the position is correct. Inilah bagi anda tahu yang setting ialah betul. So seterusnya, we set this one will be 2 and 20. 2 and 20. This power, when you lower by 1, the beams won't comes out anything. Kalau ini setting bawah lebih 2, itu beam tak akan keluar apa-apa api. So the minimum is 220. Then this one we give it as 420 and 520, 620. Okay, the speed, I'm not encourage you to be more higher. I mean, depends on your design. If your design got a lot of edges, like sharp edge, you have to lower the speed. If it's oval or circle round, you can increase up to 50. Kalau design anda banyak sharp edge, I tak recommend meningkatkan speed ini. Kalau anda punya design ada arc ke, circle ke, kurang macam ni, edge, sharp edge kan, anda boleh increase speed. So 20 is more better lah. So at last, we're gonna check with all the setting 2, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, bring it more nearer. And or if you want to be all in the center, just click and drag, choose the whole thing from here, center align. Okay, click all together, kecil sikit, bawah masuk, small a bit, because we want to test out the cutting. So the smaller, the better. Okay, then all the settings are correct, then press go. So it takes about 20 seconds. Okay, later on, as you can see, okay, as you can see from this panel, the power rate is times 1. So means that this is times 1. For the best setting that I discover, yang I set untuk material yang paling sesuai ialah this one. I down to power rate down to 0.9, and then let's see the result. And then same from the studio, and then just click and drag the design at the side. Tadi itu Beam Studio kan, anda klik semua dan tarik ke sebelah dan kasih blast, press go. Kita nanti akan nampak perbezaan dengan power rate 1 dan 0.9. Later we do the comparison between power rate 1 and 0.9. Okay. So this is the two sample. So this one will be 2, 4, 5, 6 power. Speeds are the same, 20. The difference is the power rate is 1% times 1. This one power rate times 0.9. Can you see the difference? You see the difference? This one power 2. Can you see the cutting line will be much thick? It is much thinner. Nampak tak? Ini lebih tebal, ini lebih nipis. Okay, we look at the back. Tengok bahagian belakang. Okay, differentiate. This one more. This one, I mean, it burns more. This one burns less. Ini bakal lebih banyak, bakal lebih kurang. But the main thing is, it cuts very nice. Dia tak macam makan sangat banyak lah. So compared to these two, this one will be better. In terms of what? Later on, I will show you using the Beamo sample. So for the material, for this laser foil material, the best setting that I discover will be power 2, speed 20, power rate is times 0.9. So we just cut it and peel. So inilah lebih yang I cari paling sesuai punya parameter ialah 2, speed power ialah 2, laju ialah 20 dan itu speed power rate is 0.9. Okay, kita tak perlulah tengok bahagian belakang punya, so we don't have to see the rest one lah. Because the important thing is to find the best setting for this material. So again, can you see this one cut more fine, this one more rough. So we use the Beamo sample to test out these two settings, so you'll be very obviously seeing each other the differences. Nanti I akan guna Beam Studio punya sample dan buat pemotong, akan nampak perbezaan antara dua setting. Antara dua setting ini perbezaan ialah power rate 1, power rate 0.9. Difference is power rate will be 1 and 0.9. Let's see. Same thing. Three. It is done. Let's see. Oops. Ta-da! Can you see the difference? This one more fine, this one more rough. Ini lebih terperinci, ini lebih kasar. Tengok bahagian belakang. Nampak tak? Can you see? More rough, more fine. Kasar, lebih terperinci. Okay. Let's peel off. Marilah kupas dan tengok hasilnya. Kasih potong. Oops. Okay. Kasih kupas. Let's peel off. Yeah. So we can compare the details between power rate 1 and 0.9. I need to see the sample. So this one we do it on the jade, so I use it as a reference. So peel off these parts, kupas bahagian tepat ini. So this is 0.9 power rate, and the inner one. And then the face. Okay, from the bottom one, bawah ini, the bottom one is the power rate 1. The face, muka ni. Okay, can you spot the difference? Which one is much better? Let's look for the halo. This halo and this halo. Obviously, this one is much better than the bottom one. Inilah nampak lebih jelas terperinci berbanding dengan bawah ini. So the conclusion is, the laser foil that I'm using, the best setting is power 2, speed 20, power rate is 0.9. So this is how you test no matter what sticker, vinyl or laser foil to find out the best setting using flux machine. Inilah hasilnya, cara untuk mendapat setting yang lebih sesuai untuk laser foil ialah power 2, speed 2, power rate 0.9.